In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a question as required in Typeform. Making a question mandatory in your Typeform survey is a simple yet crucial feature that ensures you gather all the necessary information from your respondents. So, let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, begin by opening your Typeform and navigating your way to the Form Builder. This is where you have laid out all your questions and can make various customizations to how your survey looks and feels. Once you're in the Form Builder, have a look at the list of questions you've already set up. Now think about the specific question that you want to make required. It could be a fundamental piece of information you absolutely need from every respondent, like their email address or any other critical data point. Once you've identified the question, click on it. As you click, a right-hand sidebar will appear, which is the Question Settings area. This is your control center for tweaking individual questions. Now within this sidebar, you'll notice an option simply labeled Required. This is typically a toggle switch, which means by default, it might be set to off. Go ahead and click it to toggle it on. Doing this action will mark the question as mandatory. After you switch on the required toggle, you'll notice an asterisk symbol, which looks like this. This will appear right next to the question, both in the editor and on the actual form that your respondents will see. This tiny star is a clear indication to anyone taking your survey that this question is mandatory and cannot be skipped. One important note to keep in mind is that without an answer to this required question, respondents won't be able to move forward or submit the form. Typeform has designed it this way to ensure that all necessary questions are answered. If someone tries to proceed without providing a response to a required question, don't worry, Typeform has that covered. They will see a prompt gently reminding them that they need to answer the required question first before continuing or submitting the form. And there you have it. The simple process of setting a question as required in Typeform. It's a minor adjustment that can make a big difference in the completeness and accuracy of the data you collect. Remember these steps each time you design a survey or form to gather the most comprehensive insights from your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Typeform experience.